going running. What kind of, is our first adventure in a while, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we now?
In Japan.
In Japan?
Yeah.
Yeah, Japan looks a lot like Boise, Idaho. Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
It's a Boise, Idaho themed theme park in Japan.
Are you sure?
No, I'm joking. We're in Boise, Idaho, man. All right, we're setting out on the first ever long distance electric stroller ride. Boise, Idaho, 3 days. Leaving the van here. Octavia needs a nap.
Exactly here.
Exactly here. Uber's on its way. Let's see how this goes. Should be interesting. Well, after a long, hot 18 miles, we have arrived in Nampa, which is kind of a distant suburb of Boise. Day 2, 24 miles. So Daddy nailed it and found a Walmart next to our hotel, so we can hang out at Walmart, then go to sleep.
Xavier on the beat.
We're fitting in very well at Walmart. I don't know why I'm so exhausted pushing an electric stroller. It's like a full body activity. What do you think, girl? You are Walmart man. You're a Boise Walmart man.
No,
Yeah?
I'm a Minecraft man.
You're Minecraft man?
Yeah.
Coming straight out of Walmart, Nampa, Idaho.
What sucks the lot?
Sure, do you drive a Ford pickup truck or a Chevy pickup truck?
What's a Ford championship?
Which lake do you prefer to jet ski in?
I prefer to do it in those streaming water lakes.
Do you prefer a 2-stroke
What's a
motocross bike or a 4-stroke motocross bike?
4-stroke?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. Very well done. All right.
Can I
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
Octavia is calling Afghanistan. She's more of an international girl. Go. Let's see it, Octavia. Let's see it. Let's see your bro moves. Octavia, what are you doing?
What's this?
Sunday morning, 20 miles to downtown Boise. We're officially at the edge of town. The roads aren't, they're done. They're paved right to here. Oh, we can finally see downtown Boise. 1 mile to go. We're cutting it close with our flight. All right, we did it, man. 65 miles, 3 days. 1,000,000 degrees, it feels like.